Hello to all the traders and investors from Trading Guru, and welcome to the pre-market analysis show. Today we are going to go ahead and check what are the things that you can expect from this market and the top 5 pre-market like intraday picks for today. So stay tuned and do go ahead and subscribe to our channel for more information. Okay, so on your screen at the moment is US 30. If you see, it had gone down and it was trading in the range of 32,000. It took strong support right at this particular point, and from there it has gone up by about 560 odd points, and it is trading in positive, which is going to be a very big positive for the Indian markets. Yesterday there was employment data which was supposed to come, the job claims for US, which has been positive, and due to that the markets have gone upwards, which is a very big positive sign for us. If you see SGX Nifty, again if you see, it is also trading in green, 113 points of gain. If you see, yesterday we closed somewhere around 14,440 on SGX Nifty at 330, and from there it has gone up till 14,560. So about 120 odd points you can consider of gain. Looking into 15 minutes on Bank Nifty, if you see, it has taken some support, and at 15 moving average, that's the green line. And if you see, it has also closed above the average for the day. The average was about 33,097, which is going to be a very important level for the day. So I would rather say all the sellings would start if a 15-minute candle would close below that level, 33,097. So watch out for those levels. And at the upside, I see 50 and the 100 moving average can be broken today, since it's a positive day, and the 200 moving average is going to be something which is going to act as a resistance. So even if you see this yellow line, I think 34,000 or maybe 33,800 in the later part of the day might be acting as a resistance. So do check on those both the levels. Let's check what is happening on Nifty. On Nifty, if you see, it's just touching that 15 moving average, and it is below the 50, 100 and the 200 moving average. Even if there was some recovery, the recovery was not strong to push it above, and even if it went above 14,500 levels, still it was pushed down. So I would see that 100 moving average is going to be a important point, that is at 14,714 at the moment, which will go down further till 14,700 and 650 maybe. So that is going to be the level wherein Nifty would show some resistance, and below you can consider day's low for yesterday, which was one moment. Okay, I think it is 14,350, and do check, this is the 29th of April expiry future. So that's the reason it's showing 14,350. So these levels are important, 350 and 650 at the top. Between there would be the Bank Nifty, like Nifty would be trading. That's what we see on the charts. Moving to the 5 intraday picks for the day. Here we go. Okay, so these are the 5 intraday picks, the easy money picks. Number 1 on the list is HDFC Bank. You can buy it above 1479 and below 1449. The targets as mentioned on the screens. ICICI Bank, you can buy at 589.5 and sell below 559.50. Bharti Airtel, you can buy above 513.5 and sell below 505.5. Dr. Reddy's, you can buy above 4,420 and sell below 4,306. Tata Steel, you can buy above 740 and sell below 710. So these are going to be the amazing picks for today. Do make a watch list out of this and keep it on your application, and do ensure that you understand each and every level and check the price action before like getting into a trade. I am pretty confident that these are going to rock on the buy side today, not on the sell side. But do ensure that you know the targets and you know what you're doing at the moment. So that is it for today. Do subscribe to our channel and do stay tuned for more updates on stock markets from our channel. Do go ahead and press that like button, share, update, comment, do whatever you can on this channel to go ahead and appreciate us for the content that we are giving, and also share your feedbacks in the comment section for sure. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great trading session ahead.